Hey guys, welcome to my channel and my first video. My name's Eva. I am the owner of Eva's Car Freshies. I make custom car fresheners, custom cups, and custom t-shirts now. This YouTube channel is going to be used for Cricut tutorials, how to make car fresheners, small business tips and tricks, and sublimation, and really anything that has to do with crafts. I am a big craft lover. So if that is something that you're interested in, please be sure to subscribe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make waterproof stickers with your Cricut Maker or Cricut machine. So let's just jump on into it. I'm super excited to show you guys the designs that I am going to be using. I did not draw them. I actually got them from kaylamakes.com. So I am going to put that link in the description for you guys so you can check her out. Let's get into it. Okay, let's talk about materials. So you're gonna need sticker paper or printable vinyl, a laminate or clear Oracal 651, and then a scraper with felt on it. I will link all of these in the description. Open up Cricut Design Space, of course. We're gonna do a new project. Cricut only lets you print and cut a certain size. So we're gonna go ahead and do a shape of the size that it allows, just so it makes it easier, so you know how to size your stickers. So we're going to unlock the square. For the width, it's 6.75 by 9.25. Okay, so this is all that Cricut is going to allow you to print and cut. So we're going to fill in the space. So whenever you upload an image, you're always going to click complex if you're doing print and cut. Then we're going to click print and cut image. I'm just gonna size it how I want. We'll fix it here in a minute, but I'm just resizing it. So here I'm repeating the process and uploading every other image that I want to make as a sticker. I'm choosing complex every time. As I'm uploading them, I'm making them a little smaller just to get them out of the way, but in just a minute, once I have all the ones that I want, I will resize them to fit on the dimensions of the rectangle. So I have all the images that I want to make into stickers uploaded, so I'm going to resize them and move them around. You can make them big, small, however you want them. I don't like to waste sticker paper, so I do take some time moving them around to make sure I get as many stickers as possible. Okay, so whenever you have it where you want it, you are going to remove the gray box and you are going to delete it. Then you're gonna highlight everything just like this. You're gonna right click and you're gonna click flatten. So you're gonna flatten everything together. Now it's one. We are going to click make it. It's gonna look like this. You are going to click continue. We're gonna click send to printer. I always turn off the bleed and then I use the system dialog because you want to print your stickers on the best quality setting so you can get the best results. So I'm going to click print. My system dialog is going to come up. I am going to use the Epson 2760 and then I'm going to click preferences, portrait. For paper type, I am using premium presentation paper mat. You always want to use that. For quality, you always will click high when you're making stickers, always. So you're going to click OK and click print. Look at those colors. Now we're gonna get our cutting tool. We're gonna get our clear Oracal. We're gonna cut it to size. I'm gonna do 7 inches across. Since I know the width is 6.75, I'm gonna give myself a little bit of space. Just in case it goes crooked or anything like that. I'll have some space to fix it up. This part can get a little tricky if you've never done this before. Everyone does it different, but this is the way that I do it. So I clean off the stickers, make sure there's nothing on it, little debris, anything like that, because it will show up in the laminate. Oracal 651, put it right over the stickers. I'm gonna get it really straight. I'm gonna peel back a little piece. There's a paper backing, I'm gonna peel it back. All right, so I'm gonna pull back just about a ½ inch or an inch of the paper backing, just to give me a little starting point to make sure I don't get any air bubbles. I used to take it all off and that did not help me. I would get air bubbles in my stickers. So this is what works for me. So I'm gonna have a little starting point like that. I'm gonna get it as straight as possible. Just like that. I'm just slowly going across to make sure I don't get any air bubbles. So I use that as my starting point, and then I get my felt squeegee. This one's from Expressions Vinyl. It works amazing. And then I'm slowly gonna push to make sure I don't get any air bubbles or any creases in the laminate, because that will ruin your sticker. Take your time, especially if it's your first time. So this is what it looks like. How pretty. I will link this mat in the description if you're looking for a cheaper alternative to the Cricut mats. I've been using these for 2 years now. They're amazing and the price is great. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this on the mat. For cut setting, I do use heavy cardstock with more pressure. That's just what works for me. Go ahead and load it and get them cut out. So it's just reading the registration marks and then it will cut everything out. So here are the stickers, and then you just peel them off just like this and put them where you want. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on my Cricut Maker because it's so cute. And that's it. You just peel and go. So that's how I make stickers with my Cricut Maker. I know everyone does it differently, but that's just what works for me. I hope it was super helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will be sure to answer them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed and loved this video, please subscribe and follow me on all my socials, and I cannot wait to do more videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.